Oh, very nice. I'm getting the iced metro.
Halo. Ya. Terima kasih banyak teman-teman kita di sini. Thank you. Terima kasih supporting from you all you guys. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, okay.
Hang on.
What's that? Oh,
This was so good. This was so good. We love it. Lemon juice and the river is middle of the sky. Friends forever.
friends forever. Yeah.
So good. I love movie juice.
He's back mid next week. We've got his
Setelah
12.
putaran
He's staying for another.
gabung bersama
Ses.
teman-teman baru.
Jadi kita berteman sama anak muda, Om Victor sekarang sama anak kampus.
Sama anak kampus sekarang.
She moved here a year ago. She's got another couple of years on her visa and then might stay.
And I was also like there was this random person who came to the show.
Jadi kita ada di
I literally got 6
warung rumah makan abang-abang.
Terima kasih semua penonton Delta Sanggala TV. Hari ini hari terakhirnya Om Victor tur filmnya Selalu Dua Tangan Alangi. Nanti kita screening di Toraja juga. Jadi tunggu ya guys.
Yes,
Sampai ketemu di Toraja tahun depan guys.
Sampai jumpa.
Nopek.
Ini terakhirnya Om Vic lu kasih interview kesan dan pesan selama di Australia dan harapannya untuk film ini ke depan.
Oh, Om Pik sangat bahagia sekali, senang sekali bisa melihat dunia. Meskipun baru Belham bawah di baru
Dan
Australia.
bagaimana dengan pertemanan yang dijalin?
Ya, jadi sejak ikut tur film ini saya sudah mengenal lebih banyak teman-teman baru Australia.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for audiences around the world. Shout out to Australia fans, Kenya fans, guys from Italy. Thank you for staying tuned with Delta Sanggala TV. And semoga hopefully Delta Sanggala TV goes international, like how this movie has went. Translate like internationally. Okay, bye. Ini kita lihat makanannya, guys. How do I do this?
yeah.
Yeah, Louis said she really loved it. There's friends in that behind. There's friends in that behind.
When you moved
Cewek dari mana itu bisa ngopit? Nah, ini cewek dari mana kita tanya kita?
Dari Makassar.
Cewek dari Makassar. Tinggalnya di Petaran ini.
Iya, tapi sekarang tinggal di Melbourne.
Sekarang lagi kuliah di Melbourne. Setelah putaran kita jalan-jalan ke sini makan bersama. Makan nasi kuning.
It's like a really
Sayangnya sih siapa lagi
Besok kita rayakan ulang tahun kok.
Oke, happy birthday tomorrow.
Ya, adakah hadiahnya teman-teman?
Salamku. Salam yang tanya di mana?
Salam balik.
So, ini akan ulang tahun, Cicu akan ulang tahun. Yang dia berapa? 30?
No, 25.
Oh, 25.
Muda.
Masih muda. Cicu masih muda.
saying happy birthday to me. So,
Oh my god, wait till your real birthday, then you'll have 100 people saying happy birthday.
I mean, if you guys still want to go to the winery, I'm totally okay.
Kadang jaket, ya.
So your mum's already Yeah, I remember that.
Oke, please coba kasih tahu saya untuk kepada orang Toraja bagaimana untuk komentar bagaimana kamu. Ini bapak. Kasih salam untuk orang Toraja bagaimana kalian komentar. Itu bapak sana. Iya. Now can you say hi to Toraja people? We are watching.
Hello. Live streaming?
Yeah, live streaming.
Oh wow. Well, thank you. Terima kasih.
Yeah, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
How about the film?
So good. So good. We love it. So happy to show it here.
Oh. Yeah, 100 people watching from
100.
Toraja. Yeah,
Oh my
yeah,
gosh.
yeah.
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah.
We're being broadcast in Toraja right now.
Okay, bye. Yeah.
2 thumbs way up.
Absolutely.
That's a very, very fast
Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
We're being live streamed right now in Toraja.
That's so cool. Yeah, wow. Yeah, hello from Adelaide. Yeah. Selamat pagi.
Selamat malam.
Malam.
Malam, night, good night.
The nights. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Cool. Saya Leon.
Leo.
I'm Leon. Yeah.
Coba.
Yeah.
You, what's your name?
Claire.
Yeah, Taylor.
Hello.
Okay.
Hi. Just Alex. Magic Alex.
Magic Alex.
My name's Emily.
Hello, my name is Gabriel.
Hello, I'm Ben.
Okay.
Hello, namaste, Angela.
Yeah.
My name's Idris.
Bagus.
I'm Shay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Ya, terima kasih. Ya. Kita disambut baik dengan kawan-kawan di sini.
If you look at that, actually, these sites.
We'll find you in Magic Heaven tomorrow.
Siapa yang disambut pakai baju biru?
Siapa baju hijau?
Mungkin kamu.
Baju hijau.
Oke. Oke, Kak Miranda. Oke, Miranda. Jadi kami jalan ke Wellington supaya kuliah di Australia. Oke, Pak. Iya. Supaya kami boleh Toraja. Okay. People from Toraja say, may you come to Toraja.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We would love to.
Yeah,
We'd love
yeah,
to.
yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. They invite you to come to Toraja.
Yes.
Yeah, Mum's your Polish German.
Okay. Yeah. They invite you to come to Toraja.
Yes, that would be great, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. No, yes, so Mum was born.
Internasional. Oke, sudah duduk guys ya. Kita wawancara dulu. Wawancara lagi. Tapi karena ya tentang apa? Sudah bisa. Tentang apa lagi? Oke, itu saja. Hi, how about the film?
It was good. I loved it.
Which part that you
Yeah, my dad was born in
interested?
Like the most. I really, and I was telling my partner this, but I really liked the part when your grandmother was laying in the bed and it's like she was really unsettled, and then she pulled your head close and it's just like she was settled, and it just reminded me of like a baby when they're really unsettled in bed and they need that comfort and then they're able to settle. It was just love, and it was comforting. It was really nice. That was my favorite part.
especially after divorce, now she's got a new family, but like, Yeah, it is pretty wild, like when people move out and then you've got no other contacts, you know what I mean? Like when you're
At the time,
yeah,
it
we're
was
like
dying.
for marriage, like I said.
Yeah.
Well, this is good.
Okay, thank you for your comment. Thank you for the support.
So sorry.
Dari abang-abang, restoran abang-abang di Alre. Ya. Ini makanan Indonesia. Oke.
Thank you.
Oh, surely they will.
Oke, nanti lagi kita sambung.
No, they said they were going to this for the